Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you how to run an analysis for a dependent t-test. So the thing that I want you to pay attention to here is you have to know whether you're running an independent or a dependent t-test because it matters how your data are set up. So up here, this is dependent, right? And this data set up as if it's the same people measuring their mischievous behavior with no cloak on versus a cloak. Okay, so I want to go back here so you can see. Notice this was the independent t-test. You have to have a column that designates what type of cloak they were wearing. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our dependent t-test. Okay, so I've got the same people. Okay, these are the same people that are either wearing a cloak or they're not wearing a cloak. We're going to go up here to analyze. You would run your descriptive stats if you wanted to know the descriptive stats for each of those groups, but we are going to compare means, and we're going to notice here it's called a paired samples t-test, all right, also known as a dependent t-test. This will drive you a little nuts in its stats. Okay, it's going to ask you which two variables are you pairing. So I've got mischief and no invisibility cloak and mischief invisibility cloak. If you click here on options, you don't really have to worry about anything here. So I'm going to hit cancel. Let me move the screen down if I can. There you go. All right, and that's all I have. So I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to get the output. So in this data set, we're going to compare 3.75 to 5.0, and then we're going to interpret this paired samples t-test. So that's the analysis of running a paired samples t-test.